Lenovo IdeaPad is a model number S145-15 ABI. So the story in this computer, the customer tried to change the screen and blow the fuse, and they already took the fuse but could not install the new one. So they did bring the replacement fuse, and they think is both computer they have the same problem. So this one and this one. So let's install the new fuse and see if that's going to fix it. Just done putting the fuse. Let's test it. Yep, the backlight works. So I did test if there is any short in the fuse before I put the computer on the charge on the power supply. It shows good, no short. So let's check the other one. So let's push the power button. Yep, I see some backlight, and there is the screen. The computer is loading the Windows. So if you want to change the screen, don't forget to disconnect the battery. And even if you want to change the fuse, like disconnect the battery as well. So yeah, here you can see the computer is on, and that's all. We'll see you next one.